Here we are down in Kasane. There's a football game going on right across the street from the landfill. And you can see cars parked and people playing soccer over there. But then we just turn to my left and look at this. We've got beautiful baby elephants just decorating the landscape. So majestic. So beautiful. Let's see if we can maybe get a little bit closer without disturbing them. He's just hanging out here, being a good boy. Yeah, he's coming after me. We're out of here. He's coming. I got you. He's young, but he's protecting his territory like a good elephant should. Taking life into our hands here, but generally I've been finding that if you just kind of keep your boundaries from them, they're cool from just hanging out right over there. Get a little close and not so much. But this is life here. This is it's what you see on a daily basis. Baby bulls. Anyway, he definitely wants to keep his distance from me. That's cool.